So guys, welcome back with another tutorial. So today in this tutorial we will learn how to make a neon logo text. So guys, don't waste the time, let's start the video. Click on three dots, select image size, and then in which size you want to make it your logo, neon logos. And one thing, remember that you will take your own logo. I'm just giving you example that how we will convert in neon logo. Okay, so you will take your own logo which you are using it. Okay, I'm just suggest for you this logo, just example I'm taking it. Okay, and I'm using eraser color, sorry, eraser color. Yes, it's done almost. Okay, and then click on plus icon, click on shape, make it small that shape, and select the black color. Okay, and add the both layer or merge the both layer, same word. Okay guys, after that go to color and make the whole logo in white as it is done right now. And after that go to stroke and apply the stroke in black color, and increase the stroke 5. Don't increase from 5, so it will be not properly look well. Okay guys, as it is done right now, and then again go to plus icon, click on shape, and then make the shape small in size, and already it's done in white color. Click on it and merge again these both layer. Okay guys, and then go also again to eraser color and use like this. It is done right now. So guys, it is done. After that make it small in size required to you, which one you want to make. Okay, and use a relative position, and literally I want to make it upper, this logo. Guys, it is done right now. So after that I'm gonna add a background picture, because if I will add the neon text, neon color, so it will not look properly if I not edit the background picture. It is done, resize, and then it's done also. Okay guys, and then make it upper and then lock it also, as it is done right now, as you can see guys. So then go back to stroke and select I think pink. Sorry guys, I think selected wrong. Yeah, select your logo. Okay, and then go to stroke. First of all, one thing remember, you must use white color during to apply the neon feature on your logo. Okay, so select white color as it is done. All right. Okay, and then go to stroke. Okay guys, and now you may apply which one color you want to use, but I will in last of this tutorial I will show you the shortcut trick of this, that how we change the color of any neon. So it's also done, like you can see right now it's done. If we apply the white color to the boundary of the logos, so it will not look properly well. So you can increase the stroke, but remember that too much increase the stroke is not looking good. So I'm also applying the 4 stroke, and then click tick, and then go to shadow. Okay guys, and it is done. And let's see, it's looking black because I have selected the black shadow. And now see, I am selecting the pink, so just you can see right now it's looking pink. Okay guys, and literally I will adjust offset axis. Okay, and y-axis. Okay guys, it's done also. And here I want to add the name of my company or the name of my logo. So I want to add the same process which we have done for our logo. So as it is done all right now, so let's see how I'm. And remember one thing, don't leave the tutorial, and let's see what I'm doing. I want to write the name of my company with in different color, one by one word, but it will take twice time if you want to learn that how I change that how wait, I just firstly of my yeah, it's done. Now if I want to select the color of one by one letter like NEON, neon, so select the one color, so it will take my time. If you want to learn about it, so then comment and my tutorial that we want to learn also about it, so I will make another tutorial for you also. But now today I just want to teach you something simple, okay guys? So after that, yeah, we will apply the stroke on it. First of all apply the font. Okay, here is a lot of font. I'm also sometimes going confused that which I use it. I think it's also good one for it. And Pande, it's literally increase from left to right both side, and then increase also spacing among these text letters, and then make it in center to use a relative position as it is in center. Okay guys, and then you can apply the stroke on the text in white color, in black. I think I have applied shadow stroke is here, so apply the stroke in black. Okay, and you can see it's going increase. In last time, it's remember that it's text. Okay, so we must keep the text 10, 11, 10, because text is not we must compare. We are literally increase the text text brightness or a neon text, so literally increase it. Okay, I can't speak well English. I hopefully you understand what I'm telling to you. Okay, so click on it, and then select click on plus icon, select the shape and white color. Okay, and combine it. Add with interior of text area, add the both layer. Okay guys, and then go to use also for it eraser option as it is done. Okay guys, don't use the white color outside of the boundaries, so it will not write looking proper. As it is done, I have told you before that use for it a white color. Okay guys, white color, and then let's see, and then stroke is also applying. I want to add something different for it, like I want to change the color of this. It's also looking good. Yeah, you can also change the neon color and the text color different, one by one color, one by one letter color is also different. You can add it. I want here a yellow color. I think it's looking properly. Yeah, it's increased too much. Almost 2 is good. What do you think? Using dark yellow. Yeah, 2 is good. So go to shadow. Okay guys, and also select the dark yellow color which you have selected for during stroke using. That you can see that it's looking very nice. Increase the darkness, blur radius. Okay guys, it is done. So don't leave the tutorial, some work is remaining in background and I will tell you how to change the color of both logo and text together. Now make it in center as it is done. Okay guys, and then combine both layer, image layer and text layer. Okay, it is done right now. So guys, if you want to add some effects in it, so let's see how I want to add the effect. You can change a more effect for it. I just want to tell you, I just want to teach you the basic things that how we apply a stroke on it. Okay, as you have seen that how we have applied in Android mobile. Do not need to use Photoshop and etc. as you want to work on it. Okay guys, and then I want to change literally, I want to apply a darkness into the background. So use select the background as I have selected already and go to color filters. Okay guys, and then decrease the darkness. Okay guys, see guys, it's too much looking rough, the background, but see I'm increasing the contrast. Okay, so it's going too much, but do not increase too much, has comfortable limit. And then see, you can here it's also going dark and white. Some people using it, you can see here the color of background wall is also going increase saturation. Okay, so I think it's good right now. And you can change the color of background also. Here you can see there, are you seeing it? I think brown is looking well on this time. I'm suggesting you to use brown. Okay guys, as it is done it. And then select the logo and text layer as it is already in center, but we will check it. No, it was not in center, so it is all now in center. So now if you want to change the text, sorry, I want to add firstly some effects on it. Go to gallery. I will also drop the effects for you. You can use it from that area. Now you can see that it's with add with background. So I want to erase the background from it. Select, and here it is like this. Done. Okay guys, now you want to add effects. As it is done guys, so let's see, I'm also confusing, so I think we can add the with below above the text, yeah, above the text, or I think right side is done. Okay guys, use a white color also for it as you have saved it before. Okay guys, and then apply the stroke on it in yellow color. Do not apply the stroke on it too much because it's already high in stroke size. Okay, the boundary size is too much thick, so 2 is already proper well. And then go to shadow, also apply the yellow color on this. Okay, and then decrease it to compare with it. No, don't touch the X and Y axis. Okay, and it is done right now. So I want to add a small heart of it also. So select the heart. As you can see here, it's looking too much well, so add the both layer with it. Guys, it is done right now. Okay, and now I want to tell you that if you want to change the color of both text and logo, so it's like this. See, wow, nice. See, I hopefully you understand that how I'm changing it. You can see here. See guys, it's going to change. So in which color you want to add your neon text or etc. So you may adjust here from color filter and then apply on it. Okay, I just want to tell you, but this is mostly good. Pink and yellow is matching with each other. Saturation is increased, so I want to keep it like this. Okay, contrast, it's too much dark. Okay, and it's also so done. So our logo is done. So I hopefully you like this tutorial. If you want to need something different in this neon tutorial, so tell me in comment. I will bring for you another tutorial. Thank you for watching. Combine also.